So I want to talk about the word shin, S-I-N-N. It's used quite a lot in North Mayo, not so much in South Mayo. And of course, shin is the other word for, well, there's two words or two pronouns that mean us or we. I suppose there's in English as well. Muid would be far more common maybe in South Connacht, but in North Mayo, in Eris, shin is very common, particularly when it's used with the Mo Canilach or with the past habitual. Past habitual is a little bit more complex in terms of the use, but we'll say for the first person plural shin, that's used quite a lot in places where we'll say, people in Connemara might say vechmuid or viachmuid or heachmuid or yenachmuid. In North Mayo, it's quite common to hear people say vetchin or vietchin or hechin or yenachin. Now, there's also a past habitual form that still exists in North Mayo. Very, very seldom I hear it now, but there's lots of recordings of it. Like you can hear this a person called Tom O'Doherty from Kilgalligan who used it quite a bit in a recording that's available. It was done as part of a DCU project. I think it's published now, and he says quite a lot. Not every much beg, he much samach yesgedacht. When we were young, we would go out swimming, or fishing. But you'll often hear people saying via chin, because in the chin, and you can hear there's a kind of ch sound after the Mo Canilach word, or the Mo Canilach word, via chin, he chin. So it's almost like the H is taken off and it's a D, and you're going from a D to an S, and it becomes a ch sound. Yeah, nice and quick.